Some of the happiest gardeners I know aren't the ones spending hours outside every day. They're the ones who figured out a simple secret. Instead of constantly fighting nature, they started growing vegetables that practically wanted to grow. Think about it. Most people give up on gardening after one disappointing season. Seeds fail to sprout, plants wilt during a busy week, weeds seem to grow faster than the vegetables themselves. Before long, the raised bed becomes another unfinished project. But here's what surprised me. It usually isn't the gardener that's the problem. It's the plants they chose. Some vegetables demand constant attention. Others seem almost determined to survive with very little help. Miss a watering, they recover. Forget to fertilize, they keep growing. Skip a weekend in the garden, they're often even bigger when you come back. Today, we're exploring 20 vegetables that are unbelievably forgiving plants, that are perfect if you're busy, new to gardening, or simply don't want to spend every spare moment pulling weeds and solving problems. And don't assume the easiest vegetables are the least productive. One of the plants later on this list can keep producing harvest after harvest with almost no effort once it's established. Another is so generous that many gardeners only need to plant it once before it starts returning on its own. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vegetables give you the biggest harvest for the smallest amount of work. Let's start with one that almost seems impossible to fail. Number 1. Radishes, the vegetable that rewards impatient gardeners. If vegetables handed out participation trophies, radishes would win every year. Scatter a few tiny seeds across loose soil, gently cover them, keep the ground slightly moist, and within just a few days, you'll often see bright green seedlings pushing through the surface. Few vegetables grow faster. Many varieties are ready to harvest in as little as 3 to 5 weeks. That's one reason teachers often use radishes to introduce children to gardening. They provide almost immediate success. Their crisp roots come in shades of red, pink, white, purple, and even black, depending on the variety, while the leafy tops can also be eaten when young. Radishes thrive in full sun but tolerate partial shade surprisingly well, especially in warmer climates. They perform best in USDA zones 2 through 11 during the cooler parts of the growing season. Here's a simple trick many beginners don't know. Harvest them promptly. Leaving mature radishes in the soil too long often makes them woody or overly spicy. Sometimes the easiest harvest is simply the one you don't postpone. Number 2. Green onions, cut them today. Harvest again tomorrow. Green onions almost feel like they're cheating. Instead of pulling up the whole plant, you simply trim what you need. A week or two later, fresh green shoots appear again. Their slender emerald leaves stand upright like miniature blades of grass, adding texture to containers, raised beds, and garden borders. Many gardeners don't even start from seed. The white root ends from grocery store green onions can often be replanted in soil or even placed in water until new growth appears before transferring them outdoors. They're incredibly adaptable. Grow them in containers, window boxes, raised beds, or directly in the ground. USDA zones 3 through 9 suit them well, although gardeners almost everywhere can grow them seasonally. The biggest beginner mistake is harvesting too aggressively. Always leave an inch or two above the base so the plant can continue producing. One small patch can quietly provide fresh onions for months. Number 3. Leaf lettuce harvest, without starting over. Most people picture harvesting lettuce by pulling up the entire head. Leaf lettuce works differently. As morning sunlight filters through the garden, loose leaves unfold into soft layers of green, burgundy, bronze, and deep red. Instead of removing the entire plant, simply harvest the outer leaves. The center keeps producing fresh growth. This cut-and-come-again habit makes leaf lettuce one of the easiest vegetables for anyone who wants continuous harvests without constant replanting. It grows beautifully in containers, raised beds, and even shallow planters on balconies. Leaf lettuce prefers cooler weather and performs best in USDA zones 3 through 9 during spring and autumn. One helpful tip is to provide afternoon shade during hot summers. This delays bolting and keeps the leaves tender longer. Sometimes harvesting less actually gives you more. Number 4. Bush beans, reliable from start to finish. Bush beans don't ask for much. Give them sunshine, reasonably fertile soil, and regular watering, and they'll often reward you with basket after basket of crisp pods. Unlike climbing beans, bush beans don't require trellises or elaborate supports. Compact plants quietly fill with white or pale purple blossoms before transforming into dozens of tender green beans. They're ideal for gardeners who want simplicity. Most varieties mature in about 50 to 60 days. USDA zones 3 through 10 provide excellent growing conditions during warm weather. Here's something experienced gardeners often recommend. Pick the beans while they're young. Frequent harvesting encourages the plant to continue flowering and producing new pods. The more you harvest, the more it often gives back. The easiest vegetables usually have one thing in common. They don't punish small mistakes. And the next one might be the most forgiving plant in the entire garden. Number 5. Zucchini. One plant can feel like 10. Almost every experienced gardener has a zucchini story. Usually it starts with planting one seed. Then suddenly there are more zucchini than the family knows what to do with. Broad, textured leaves spread outward like giant umbrellas, while cheerful yellow blossoms open early in the morning, attracting bees and other pollinators. Once pollinated, the fruits seem to grow almost overnight. Healthy plants often produce continuously for weeks. Zucchini loves full sun and rich, well-draining soil. It thrives across USDA zones 3 through 10 during warm weather. The secret is simple. Harvest the fruits while they're still relatively small. Smaller zucchini are usually more tender, and frequent harvesting encourages even more production. Sometimes abundance really does begin with just one plant. Number 6. Swiss chard. Beauty that keeps feeding you. If vegetables were judged on appearance alone, Swiss chard would easily earn a place in ornamental gardens. Bright stems glow in shades of ruby red, golden yellow, orange, pink, and white beneath large, glossy leaves. Yet it's far more than decorative. Swiss chard is one of the longest producing leafy vegetables available. Instead of harvesting the whole plant, remove the older outer leaves while allowing the center to continue growing. This simple habit can provide harvests for months. It tolerates both cool weather and summer heat better than many leafy greens. Swiss chard grows well in USDA zones 3 through 10 and appreciates fertile, consistently moist soil. One useful tip is to harvest regularly. Even if you don't need every leaf, regular picking stimulates fresh growth. A vegetable this colorful works hard enough to earn its place in almost any garden. Number 7. Kale. Tough enough for tough weather. Some vegetables give up when temperatures drop. Kale almost seems to welcome the challenge. Its deeply textured blue-green leaves become sweeter after light frosts, making it one of the few vegetables that actually improves as cooler weather arrives. Gardeners appreciate kale because it keeps producing when many summer crops have already finished. Harvest the lower leaves first, and the plant continues sending out new growth from the top. Kale grows best in full sun to partial shade and performs exceptionally well in USDA zones 3 through 11 depending on the season. One beginner-friendly trick is to mulch around the base. Mulch helps retain soil moisture while reducing weed competition. Here's the surprising part. Some kale varieties can keep producing well into winter in milder climates, giving gardeners fresh greens long after many beds appear empty. If you've watched this far, you've probably realized something. The most productive gardens aren't always the ones with the most expensive tools or the biggest raised beds. They're often filled with plants that naturally fit the gardener's lifestyle. That's the real secret. Choose vegetables that work with you instead of demanding constant attention. And the next vegetables might be the easiest of them all. Number 8. Spinach. Quick, cool, and surprisingly forgiving. There's something satisfying about stepping outside on a cool spring morning and seeing spinach leaves glistening with dew. The smooth, deep green leaves seem to appear almost overnight once the weather settles into cooler temperatures. Spinach grows quickly and doesn't ask for much beyond fertile soil, regular moisture, and a little sunshine. Unlike many vegetables that struggle in spring's unpredictable weather, spinach actually enjoys those cool days. It performs best in USDA zones 3 through 9 during spring and autumn. Here's a tip that makes harvesting almost effortless. Pick the outer leaves first, instead of removing the whole plant. Fresh leaves continue forming in the center, giving you several harvests before warm weather eventually causes the plant to flower. Sometimes gardening really can be as simple as picking dinner one leaf at a time. Number 9. Beets. 2 harvests from one plant. Most people think beets are all about the roots, but experienced gardeners know they're getting 2 vegetables for the effort of growing one. Above the soil, smooth green leaves with striking crimson veins create a colorful display that looks just as attractive as many ornamental plants. Below the surface, round roots slowly swell into sweet, earthy beets. The young leaves are also edible and can be cooked much like spinach. Beets thrive in full sun with loose, stone-free soil that allows roots to develop evenly. They're reliable across USDA zones 2 through 10. One mistake beginners often make is planting seeds too closely together. Thinning young seedlings gives each beet enough room to develop properly. It's one of the few vegetables where almost every part of the plant can end up on your plate. Number 10. Peas let nature do the climbing. Watching peas grow is almost like watching nature solve its own problems. Tiny curling tendrils reach out until they find a fence, net, or trellis. Then the plant simply climbs. No tying, no complicated training, just gentle guidance from nature itself. Soon, delicate white blossoms appear, followed by crisp green pods hanging like little ornaments. Peas love cool weather and grow best in USDA zones 3 through 9 during spring or fall. A simple support is usually all they need. Here's a trick many gardeners swear by. Harvest pods frequently while they're still tender. Regular picking encourages the vines to continue producing for much longer. Sometimes the easiest gardener is the one who simply stays out of the plant's way. Number 11. Garlic, plant it, then mostly leave it alone. Garlic has earned a reputation as one of the lowest maintenance vegetables you can grow. Plant individual cloves in autumn. Cover them with mulch, then let winter do much of the work. By spring, sturdy blue-green shoots begin pushing through the soil with very little encouragement. As summer approaches, bulbs quietly develop underground until harvest time arrives. Garlic grows well in USDA zones 3 through 8, although many softneck varieties perform beautifully in warmer climates too. The biggest beginner tip? Don't overwater. Garlic prefers consistent moisture while growing, but appreciates drier conditions as harvest approaches. Patience is the hardest part. Fortunately, garlic rewards it generously. Many of these vegetables don't demand perfection. They simply ask for good soil, sunlight, and a little consistency. But the next group becomes even more forgiving. Several of them can bounce back from neglect that would ruin more delicate crops. Number 12. Mustard greens fast, flavorful, and tough. Mustard greens seem to grow with remarkable confidence. Broad leaves unfurl quickly, adding bold texture and vibrant green color wherever they're planted. Many varieties also develop beautiful purple veins or deeply curled edges. They're remarkably fast-growing and tolerate cooler weather exceptionally well. USDA zones 2 through 10 can all enjoy mustard greens during the appropriate seasons. Harvest younger leaves for a milder flavor, or allow them to mature if you enjoy a stronger bite. Frequent harvesting encourages fresh new growth. Sometimes the fastest vegetables are also the toughest. Number 13. Okra, the heat lover that keeps going. While many vegetables struggle through the hottest days of summer, okra seems to come alive. Tall stems reach toward the sky, decorated with creamy yellow flowers that resemble hibiscus blossoms. Soon afterward, slender green pods begin appearing almost daily. Okra thrives where summers are long, hot, and sunny. It's happiest in USDA zones 5 through 11 during warm weather. One simple habit keeps production going. Harvest pods while they're young and tender, usually every day or two during peak season. Allowing pods to become overly mature slows future production. Treat okra kindly, and it often rewards you for months. Number 14. New Zealand spinach. When summer refuses to cooperate, regular spinach often struggles once temperatures climb. New Zealand spinach responds differently. It keeps growing. Its trailing stems spread gently across containers or raised beds, carrying thick, succulent leaves that continue producing through much of summer. Although it's not true spinach botanically, it serves a similar purpose in the kitchen. It performs especially well in USDA zones 4 through 10 during warm weather. One helpful tip is to pinch growing tips regularly. This encourages bushier plants and more harvestable leaves. It's a wonderful backup plan when traditional spinach decides summer has arrived. Number 15. Turnips, fast food from the garden. Turnips are often overlooked. That's a mistake. Within a relatively short time, they provide crisp roots below ground and tender greens above. The smooth leaves grow quickly, while round white and purple roots quietly develop beneath the surface. Turnips tolerate cool weather extremely well and grow across USDA zones 2 through 9. Loose soil produces the smoothest roots. Harvest while still young for the sweetest flavor. Simple vegetables often become family favorites because they're so dependable. The final 5 vegetables aren't just easy. Some are so productive that experienced gardeners plant them almost every single year without hesitation. Let's finish with 5 true garden workhorses. Number 16. Arugula, peppery flavor with almost no fuss. Arugula grows with incredible speed. Delicate, deeply cut leaves create lush green patches that seem ready for salads almost before you've finished planting. It thrives during cooler months and often reseeds itself, if allowed to flower. USDA zones 3 through 11 can all grow arugula during suitable seasons. Harvest outer leaves regularly. Fresh growth continues from the center. A small container can provide surprising amounts of fresh salad throughout spring and fall. Number 17. Pak choi, compact and reliable. Pak choi is one of the easiest Asian vegetables for beginners. Glossy dark green leaves rise above thick white stems that form attractive upright clusters. It matures quickly and performs beautifully in containers. Pak choi prefers cool weather and grows well across USDA zones 3 through 10. Provide consistent moisture to reduce bolting. Harvest entire heads or remove outer leaves individually. Its flexibility makes it perfect for gardeners with limited space. Number 18. Cucumbers. Surprisingly easy. With a little support, many people assume cucumbers are difficult. Actually, they become remarkably simple once given something to climb. Strong vines quickly wrap around trellises, lifting fruits off the ground where they're cleaner and easier to harvest. Bright yellow flowers attract bees before crisp cucumbers begin appearing. Cucumbers love full sun and fertile soil in USDA zones 4 through 11. Water consistently at the base rather than wetting the leaves. Healthy vines often produce steadily for weeks. Sometimes growing upward makes everything easier. Number 19. Cherry tomatoes, the gift that keeps giving. There's a reason so many gardeners recommend cherry tomatoes to beginners. Few vegetables match their enthusiasm. Clusters of glossy fruits ripen gradually, giving you fresh harvests almost every day during peak season. Unlike many larger tomatoes, cherry varieties often continue producing even when conditions aren't perfect. Most grow best in USDA zones 3 through 11 during warm weather. A sturdy stake or cage provides all the support they usually need. Harvest fruits as soon as they fully color. The plant responds by ripening even more. One healthy cherry tomato can feed an entire family through summer. Number 20. Potatoes, hidden treasure beneath the soil. Our final vegetable might be the most satisfying harvest of them all. For weeks, it appears almost ordinary. Green leafy stems quietly fill the container while very little seems to happen. But underground, something remarkable is taking place. Clusters of potatoes slowly develop where you can't see them. Harvest day feels almost like a treasure hunt. As you gently empty the container, fresh potatoes tumble out one after another. It's a moment that never seems to lose its excitement. Potatoes grow well in USDA zones 3 through 10 using deep containers with loose, well-draining soil. As stems grow taller, gradually add more soil around them. This simple technique encourages additional tuber production. Sometimes the greatest rewards are the ones hidden just beneath the surface. If there's one lesson these 20 vegetables teach us, it's this. Gardening doesn't have to be complicated to be successful. In fact, many of the world's favorite vegetables became popular because ordinary people could grow them without expensive equipment or endless hours of maintenance. Nature is remarkably forgiving when we choose the right plants. Instead of fighting difficult crops, build your garden around vegetables that naturally fit your schedule, your climate, and your experience level. Even if all you have is a few containers on a patio or a sunny corner of your backyard, you can grow fresh food that tastes better than most store-bought produce. The secret isn't working harder, it's choosing smarter. Imagine stepping outside a few weeks from now, clipping fresh lettuce for lunch, picking tomatoes for dinner, pulling a handful of green onions, or discovering potatoes hidden beneath the soil you almost forgot about. That's the kind of gardening that keeps people coming back year after year. Simple, productive, and deeply rewarding. Now it's your turn. Which of these easy vegetables are you planning to grow first? Or do you already have a favorite low-maintenance crop that deserves a place on this list? Share your experience in the comments below. Your tip might be exactly what another beginner needs to hear. And if you enjoy practical gardening advice, easy-to-follow growing guides, and discovering plants that make life in the garden simpler, be sure to subscribe. We'll keep exploring reliable, time-tested ways to grow more food with less stress, one garden at a time.